big cup-tie atmosphere for this game. Not before match, but how these two line up. Let's see what the managers have gone with. Having got with this lineup. The manager's playing a 4-5-1 formation today. So we're off. Which way will this game go? Striker's ball. Now De Bruyne. Ramos. Great pass. Here Kane. They've won it back. Using width here. Oh, a chance now to turn defence into attack. Sterling. Here's Kane. Sterling. Tackled by Ramos. Ramos finds safety. Well cut out. This player is taking on the opposition. It's with the striker. His first goal for the team, and I'm sure many more to come. Well, let's take another look at that. And the crowd are well behind. They've got that goal. We're back underway. Oh, look at that showboating. Great dribbling. Now De Bruyne. He read that one absolutely perfectly. Oh, well timed. Striker's ball. Well timed and good defending. He loves to go past players with the ball. Here's Striker's ball. Ronaldo shoots. He should have been on target. Let's take another look at that. Sterling. What a well-timed tackle. He's knocked in long. The assistant's kept his flag down. He's onside. Is this a goal? And there's the shot. And he's given possession away in a dangerous... Oh, that was a real chance. Let's see how close that one was to get. Cleared forward by the goalkeeper. There's the whistle. It's half-time. They're winning. Can they stay in control for the next 45 minutes? They have the ball again. Passed inside. That's nicely played. This player is taking on the opposition. Oh, a chance now to turn defence into attack. Moving down the flanks here, and it's with the captain. He showed a bit too much to the opposition there. It's with the striker. They're attacking with the ball now. He must score, surely. Messi! There was only one outcome, really. As soon as the player shot, he knew it was heading straight in. Let's see that one again. It's 2-0 now. Henderson. Sterling. Send it forward. Pickford. Launched upfield by the keeper. Messi. A chance here. Oh, here's Messi. And that is a fantastic goal. Let's work it out again. And he made us make it here. And we're back underway here. He's cut it back inside. They're winning. They need to defend well here. Moving down the flanks here. Alba with the tackle. Just the keeper to beat. And this is Kane. And the keeper ring. And that wasn't on target. I'm not sure he'd have got to that. Let's see what difference the change makes. The keeper plays it short there. This team really are controlling the game. Messi. It's Saka. Oh, he did really well there. Messi. Oh, he must score. That one has gone out of play. Time for a fresh pair of legs here then. And that's into the box. Neymar shoots. Good catch by the goalkeeper. Forward from the keeper. Oh, well intercepted. Oh, he's onside here. Tackled by Ramos. Vardy on the ball. Great technique. The assistant's kept his flag down. He's onside. Sends it forward. Vardy on the ball. And the referee has pointed to the spot. It's a penalty. Can cut the atmosphere here with a knife. Oh, well taken penalty. That was really well taken. Here's how they did it. Take free until stoppage time. Great to grab a consolation. And there's the full-time whistle. The match has finished 3-1.
We